Hello guys, this is Samiullah. Hope you are doing good. I'm here with an amazing tip for you. Today I'm going to give you my tip number one about Premiere Pro 2021 that you can use in 2021 and save your time. It's very interesting and useful, believe me. So whenever you are going to edit your cinematic shots, so you want to add black cinematic bars in your video that appears on top and bottom of your the video. So I'm going to tell you a very easy and handy way to do this. So first of all, drag any video you want to edit in your project timeline and edit it as you want. Right click on your project folder window and add an adjustment layer in it. Drag that adjustment layer in your timeline. Uh, then head over to the effects panel and search for crop effect. Drag that crop effect directly into the adjustment layer. Go to the effects control panel and crop from both top and bottom of the layer up to 13%. This will not affect your footage at all, but your adjustment layer. Besides this, you can color grade your footage as well by applying desired effects on that layer as well. Uh, this is the tip for today. Tell me in comment section if you want any specific tips and help regarding Premiere Pro 2021. Um, Subscribe my channel if you are new and press the bell icon so that you will never miss my upcoming tips.